Hey everyone, Jonas here again for another epic update. We are really excited this week to showcase one of our preferred vendors. This is Eli Wilson with Grade 8 Cleaning. He actually, coincidentally, is in our own commercial plaza here where our office is located. Had the pleasure of meeting him about 6 months ago. Not a great opportunity. We had a water supply line go out in one of the bathrooms and start to flood a portion of the office, and we're just kind of scrambling, and he came running over to the rescue. We hadn't even met yet, and he's, all hands on deck, coming over with squeegees, towels, shop vacs, all that good stuff, and helped us out when we were in time of need. And we just kind of struck a conversation, got to know each other's business a little bit. He's already, helped us out with some clients and that sort of thing, but he has a really fantastic cleaning company, legit operation. This isn't one of, out of somebody's garage. He's got an amazing setup here in his suite. They've got full laundry space. They've got all of the supplies and linens and whatnot, but really niche because they, assist people, not only just kind of doing cleaning, maintaining their residences, but also for investors or owners looking to buy or sell. So if you have a property that you need to get prepped for market prior to photos, get in there and do a nice cleanup, or moving into a property, want to get a deep clean before your family moves in, they got you covered there. Another niche is they specialize in vacation rental properties, which is great because that's its own animal. It's not just cleaning. You got to do inventory. You got to do supplies, all that good stuff. And he is a real estate investor, and that's kind of where this company was born from. Just kind of seeing a lack of integrity and good cleaning companies in the market, and so decided to kind of fill that gap.
Absolutely. Well, you know what they say colloquially, me squeegee is squeegee. So you're happy to help with that. But no, you're absolutely right, Jonas. Thanks for having us on.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk about a little bit what we do.
Sure.
Where this started from was from an investment standpoint. I owned a couple Airbnbs, but we weren't quite getting the service that we needed. So my girlfriend and I, decided we could probably do it ourselves and do it better, and we actually have. And so that's kind of where it stemmed from. So now, not only do we do and help investors that are out of state, out of the country with linens, full turnkey services, need the guest management portion of it, but we're also helping real estate agents for open houses. We're also helping people with deep cleans. We're helping people with evictions. We have the full gamut of stuff. And so really it kind of stems from that same point where it's, details matter. You only get one time to make a first impression. We don't believe in, hey, call us if there's a problem. We'll come back out and fix it. We have one chance to get it right. That's kind of like what I live by, what my team lives by. So if there's anything that you guys need, if we're happy to be of service, just give it to Jonas, and we're happy to come out and help any kind of needs you have.
That's awesome. Well, Eli's on our vendor list. Most of our clients have that vendor list, but if for some reason you do not, please reach out to either Ashley or myself, either by call, text, or email. We pride ourselves on providing vetted vendors for full scope, literally anything you need pertaining to a property, whether it's cleaning, whether it's pool services, whether it's handyman, contractor, painter, you name it. They need to check a lot of boxes in our mind. We need to be honest, reliable, cost effective, communicative, all those things, and Eli and his company definitely checks all those boxes. So please take advantage of his services. We hope you're having a great day and hope this was of value, and we can plug you into Eli to assist with your cleaning needs. Thanks, brother.
Thanks so much. Take care, Jonas.